Hi, my name is Jeffrey Rubin, President of Testrite Visual Products, Hackensack, New Jersey. I'm here to talk to you today about vaccination and privacy booths. Testrite is a 102-year-old manufacturer, and we specialize in custom hardware that holds graphics. Now, vaccination booths and privacy booths, there's a lot of interest today, and we've been asked, what options do we recommend? So I'm going to show you two examples today, and then on the screen you'll also see some other options. The first example I'm going to show is what we call a pillowcase fabric graphic. So this is a dye sublimation print onto a stretch fabric material. It's very high quality printing. You can see the definition on the words behind me. It's very crisp. With this type of graphic, what's really nice is it's very easy to rebrand. So here's a small example. Behind me is a larger example. And this scales up very nicely. So we can do a 40-foot wide back wall and 20-foot long side walls that are very easy to brand. What's really nice about these graphics is they're very compact. So if you have a 40-foot wide wall, you need to change the graphic, simply remove the existing graphic. Underneath is an aluminum frame. You take out the new graphic, you slide it over the aluminum frame, and you zip the bottom closed. And because of the material it's made out of, any wrinkles that exist will come out on their own. The other most popular option that we were seeing today, customers ask us for, are rigid graphics. The example I have here is a 1/2-inch thick rigid graphic with our skyscraper mighty mount. Our skyscraper mount supports the graphic all the way up. We also have options just to support the graphic on the floor. What's nice about the skyscraper is you can make entire rooms out of this, whether they be one big room or individual cubby spaces. So if you need to have division within your vaccination and privacy booth, you can do that with the skyscraper. Each panel is brandable, printing on either one or two sides. And then again, at the end of vaccination campaign, if you do want to put these away, you can take the uprights and stack them, take the graphics and stack them. Everything will stack very nicely in your back room. As you can see on your screen, there are a lot of different ways we can manufacture vaccination booths. Please feel free to reach out to us. Visit our website, www.testrite.com. Hopefully you found something in this video helpful. There are a lot of different ways we can manufacture a privacy booth or a vaccination booth. Please reach out to us. Let us know, what are you looking for? What are your needs? And we're happy to design something to meet your needs and give you a quote. And we ship very, very fast. I don't think there's anyone out there who goes faster than us. Again, U.S. made quality, U.S. made service, and aggressive value-oriented pricing. Thank you very much and have a great day.